Acoustic Parquet. Don't be fooled by the name, it's not a floor. It's a sound-absorbing system with a design that resembles parquet. Garvan Acoustic Parquet is a system designed to optimize acoustics without sacrificing aesthetics. Through its structure, it creates an extraordinary combination of functionality and design. What makes parquet special? This structure is designed to absorb sound waves, thus reducing reverberation and noise in environments. It is an ideal system for offices, restaurants, meeting rooms, and even homes. The pattern resembles parquet, but these elements are meant to be applied to walls and ceilings. Garvan Acoustic Parquet is available in a wide range of colors and finishes, from standard finishes like white and black to fabrics. And also the Materica cement and Materica wall effects, which have a wall-like appearance and can be made in any color. It perfectly adapts to any style. From classic to modern, it is an eco-friendly product made from high-density polyester fibers, 60 kg per cubic meter, derived from recycled plastic bottles. Therefore, it's a product that also considers the environment. It is extremely versatile because you can create decorative walls and ceilings, meaning you can design the pattern you like the most. If you haven't done so yet, I recommend subscribing to our channel to stay updated on the latest news. Thank you. See you soon.